Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download and install Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the Instagram on your phone, first open up your Play Store app, and after opening your Play Store, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is the search bar. Tap on it and type in Instagram and search for it. And you can see, guys, Instagram app is available for us and is on the top. Tap on the install button at the top right corner of the screen and let's let it download, guys. It will be downloaded in a moment depending upon the net speed. And guys, the Instagram has been installed. Let's open it, and from over here, guys, let's wait for it to load. And from over here, guys, the moment you open your Instagram, you can see you'll be able to go to different accesses, and after that, going through all of these steps on Instagram, make sure to be logged into your account. And there, guys, this is how to download and install your Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.